So are you on your way to Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jambo House? Well, let's take a look at our deluxe studio right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Before we get started taking a look at our deluxe studio here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jambo House, I just want to let you know, on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. So if that's the kind of stuff you want to see, be sure to subscribe down below, hit that notification bell and select all so you don't miss out on a single video. So let's head on inside here and take a look at our deluxe studio unit here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jambo House. As we head inside the deluxe studio villa here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jambo House, the first thing we're going to take a look at is the bathroom. Not too big of a bathroom here. You do have a vanity that is separated out from the main toilet and shower, but it does have some really nice theming here to go along with the rest of the room and the resort. You have a double vanity, and of course you also have that all too popular Disney H2O toiletries provided here. Now off to the side here in a separate room you are going to find the toilet and shower. Some really nice touches in here with the decorating. The shower does look pretty cool, and you do have your pump shampoo, conditioner, and body wash here on the wall. Across from the bathroom area here, we're going to find the kitchenette. Not too big of a kitchenette, but you do have your coffee maker, toaster, coffee, and as well as a number of other items provided here. Paper plates, paper cups, and some dish towels, and some soap is also provided. We did like the nice touch of the animal figures on the tile backsplash. Now let's move into the main living and sleeping area of this deluxe studio. You do have a queen-size bed that looks down upon a huge chest of drawers as well as an armoire. Inside the armoire here, you are going to find the in-room safe, some extra bedding for the pull-out sofa, as well as an iron and ironing board. And atop that chest of drawers up above, you'll find a large flat-screen television. Definitely some nice touches in this deluxe studio. Great decorating, great theming here. Fits in with the overall theme of Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. There's also a large sofa here. It does pull out into a large queen size pull-out sofa bed, and a ceiling fan overhead. Definitely does help keep things cool. Alright, now it's time to head outside and take a look at the balcony. This balcony here has two chairs and a small table. Not too big of a balcony here at Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House in this deluxe studio, but of course you can't argue with what we're going to take a look at next. A fantastic Savannah view. Overlooking the Savannah, be sure you're out here in the evenings or early in the morning to get a glimpse of some of the giraffes as they come out to eat, as well as many other animals that you'll see all across the Savannah. So there you have it, the deluxe studio Savannah view here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Jambo House. What do you think of this room and the resort? Do you own here, or are you planning a trip? Let me know all about it down in the comments below. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And to see more videos all about timeshare, check out the description box below. For another video about Disney Vacation Club, check out the one up there in the upper right. And YouTube, they think you'll like the one right below that. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.